Josh, set up this the perspective for me. We have this trading shortened week with Memorial Day holiday. We have news on the tariff front. We have Elon Musk saying he's going to rededicate himself to Tesla. How is the week shaping up in your perspective?
Good to be with you, Contessa. Yeah, it's a big week, and I guess 2 days ago, we kind of started getting ready for it with the announcement of a delay in tariffs with the EU. So yeah, the market's looking to open strongly higher. There's some M&A news on the horizon, perhaps with Salesforce buying Informatica. Some nice headlines out of Nvidia, and you mentioned Tesla, and I think that people are getting excited. I think that this is a good setup for a leg higher. I think, notwithstanding this volatility in trade announcements and things like that, I think we're at a good place.
We are just getting news right now that Minnesota Fed President Neil Kashkari is speaking in Tokyo this morning, and he's calling for steady rates and awaiting for clarity on what the impact will be from tariffs. How important is it for the Fed to be seen as authoritative and credible in this period?
I mean, I think it's important. I think it's always important, especially when there's, an administration that's certainly speaking directly to them through the media and whatnot. So, yeah, I think it's important. I think that the market ultimately appreciates it, regardless of whether people think they're being too dovish or not. So, yeah, I think it counts for a lot.
I noticed that your stock pick idea is KB Home, market cap $3.6 billion, and your word of the day, Stoic. Is there any crossover there?
I think so. Yeah. I mean, yeah. So Stoic, I think, it's remaining calm in the face of uncertainty. That's not Webster's definition, but it's something similar. So, yeah, I think that a lot of people are going to buy a name like KB Home when all the numbers line up and we have clear sailing ahead. And I think it'll be too late at that point. So I think right now the stocks come under a lot of pressure in the last 3, 6, 12 months. And I think this is a good setup.